Good evening, everybody. Before I start, I want to wish everybody who's listening to this video a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. Before I start sharing what I'm going to share in today's video is, I want to be very clear with everybody is I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I'm just a simple trader with you, like you all. I share my ideas with you all. I do not guarantee any results. Uh, Please, if you want to follow any of these ideas, please do consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. I would not like to take responsibility for any profit or losses. You are welcome to see the video completely. Uh, to use it or not, please use your own wisdom. Consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Let's Learn platform is a free trading platform. It basically is involved in teaching the small little things about the swing trades or long-term trading in the Indian stock market. Today's video is just like a very simple way of using an automated system which is available with us, and how we create a simple strategy to trade with and then check how good that strategy is. So let's start for today is what we are actually going to do today is we are going to use a very commonly used platform, what is known as Chat GPT. We will create a strategy, then post it in the you can say trading view, and then check it whether it is a successful strategy or not. You can customize it, you can use it the way you want to do it, but I'm just trying to show you a way to make a strategy. You can do it on super trend, you can do on moving average, you can do on an RSI, you can do on any indicator which is available. You can even do it on an indicator which is available on TradingView. So before I started doing anything is, I'm going to write one prompt as, you are an expert Pine script creator version 5, because we have to mention the version 5 of TradingView. I would like to get one strategy based on crossovers. For example, I'm just going to say, by condition, use two moving averages, 10 EMA and 20 SMA. It is just for a depiction. It is not that I'm recommending this kind of a strategy. It's just for depiction. By condition is when 10 EMA crosses above 20 SMA. And so this is what I'm just going to give it and command. And exit is when 10 EMA crosses below 20 SMA. It's a simple crossover. 10 EMA crossing over 20 SMA is a buy condition, and 10 EMA coming below the 20 SMA is a sell condition. So I will just put it. Now it will take some time for it to create a strategy. Now you can see it's generating a code. I need not be a Pine script, you can say an expert, to do like this. So I have just done it like this, and I will copy the word copy code here. And in the Pine editor, I will just go and paste it. And I will just add to the chart. This is what I was already doing it. Now you can see it. It gave a buy signal here and a sell signal out here. And what is strategy testing is telling us for bank Nifty, the profit factor is somewhere around about 1.9, and the percentage of profitable trades is 49% in it on a daily time frame. Now let's go and check it for all the stocks which we had. So we'll just put the strategy testers. Now for the profit factor, anything above 1 is considered to be a profitable strategy, because here, if you see on Google, what Google says is profit factor in trading is, it's a ratio that compares the total profit generated by winning trades to the total losses incurred by losing trades. What is good profit factor for trading? It's not my say. It's a profit factor above 1.75 is considered ideal. Value less than 1.75, they're a little skeptical, and above 4 is also there. Too much profitable trade usually don't happen. A realistic profit factor is around 2. So let's go and check what it says. It is 1.63. If you have a 10 EMA crossing over the 20. Now next is 1.34. Now you keep on seeing 37.38. Prior to this, we had 44. See the profit coming here? This is the main loss. So it is just because I had put in a lot of big amount for doing it. Now let's go and check CAMS. It is 1.1%. 4.8% in Bombay Stock Exchange. We should be skeptical about it. It doesn't look to be that realistic. Let's go and see the charts even. This is the buy condition here, 2428, and we closed here. 1800 rupees up. So that's where the value is coming too high. Now let's go and check again. TVS Motor 3.598, again high. 1.4. 1 is good. 1.75 below is not very good. So 1.8 for CDSL, it's going. Just see the percentage of profitability you should be only to have this kind of a profit factor. So even if 30% trades are doing well, you will make money. Whole India failing miserably. Then you have Geofinance 4%. 4 is the profit factor. For Hindustan Aeronautics 2 with 43.9. 8.5 in Mazda. 1.6 in Mahindra and Mahindra. 3.13 in C8. Again, see the percentage of profitable trades. It's 39.36. Reliance 41, 1.59. Indigo 1.5 again 45%, approximately 45. Nifty 45%, 2.13. So this strategy may work very good in Nifty. Again in Tata Motors 40%, 2.2 profit factor. Then you come in Ultratech Cement, again 40, 1.6. Sensex, I like cement. So this is how you can go and keep on doing it. So I will just copy the chat GPT because my total free is, I will open an let me check it on it. Please, okay, this is, it has given it. So it is again telling us what is to be done. Now I want modify exit condition to 10% to exit condition, take profit if price is 10% higher than entry price and stop loss is 5% below the entry price. That means 1:2. So let's see what it says. I am not using, I have zero knowledge about it. I'm just using whatever it's the chat GPT is coming and giving it to me. So I will just delete it. Open new indicator. Just delete everything. Paste everything. Add to chart. Now you see what is the result coming. 1.83%, 1.25%. CAMS, we have gone on to less than 1. This is not a good stock. It is not working in it. 1.7 in Bombay Stock Exchange, 51.52% profitable trades. Now you start seeing it just by adding one exit condition. We have reached to we have just increased our percentage of you can say profit factor to a good extent. It may work in few stocks, it may not work in few stocks. See, Geofinance was 4. When we put in exit conditions, it has just reduced to 1. HAL 1.632, Basdoc is 4.5. It was again on 4 side in the previous also. Mahindra and Mahindra is 1.2. C at 1.45, Reliance 1.3. Now let's compare Nifty. Nifty was 2 previously, now it is 1.769. So buy here. We will exit at 10% when it reaches above. So this is our entry. 10% of it will was 24,000. You can say 2480 point added. That was a close to number 27,000. But you entered here and you have almost taken the full ride. To make it easier, you can just switch off these EMA lines and just concentrate on when the buy and the sell signal are shown to you. Buy out here, you're even down, they have not given you a sell signal, and it has gone up till here. Now, same way, what we are going to do is, now we want to set the exit condition percentage as a variable where we can choose it. So sorry, I've just reshare it. Please make the take profit and stop loss condition variable. And let me choose what value I want to take profit or stop loss. This is, I've given it some kind of a vague kind of an idea to it. And it is, now it is going to just go and tell me what percentage of, let me check it, how it does it. I have no idea about it. So Pine Editor, we go and open a new indicator, take off all the lines. We remove the indicators, remove everything from here so that So now it has given you a place where you want to decide at what profit you want to do this. Now, if you want to work at 1:3, so I will reduce my stop loss to 3%. And we will only check in Nifty, 1.64%. Oh, 1.68 profit factor, 39% profitable. And overall, you are in green. Now I say no. Somebody says, no, I want to do it 1:5 trade. Now you check 1.96, 36.3, not much difference. You lose 3%, but your profit factor increases drastically. The percentage is 1300%. Now you see, you bought here. You're not worried about, so let's go and take off the lines. See, we are not worried about the lines. So style, I'm going to take it. Properties is the initial capital is per lot. And I'll say 10 lots. 10 lots means it's around 200 rupees. So 10 into 250 round, but let's say 5 lakh rupees. Let's say 50,000. So this is your buy signal. And you exited out here. That is the place where your moving average would have crossed. This is your buy signal, but very next day, you exited here. Okay, you closed your entry. And there is no. Then you bought here at 24,800 and you're still in the trade. You bought here, you almost dead wonders. And where did you last time buy it? Was here. And you exited there. Now, what does this strategy is? 1.99. Pretty good, close to 2. Now let's see in Bank Nifty. 38%, 1.6. 700% profitability. So what happened? You bought here in Bank Nifty at 41,000. And where did you exit? You exited at 42,900. You again bought at 44,000. You exited out here, 49,000. You bought here 51,200 and you're still in the trade. So this is the way you can and automate a strategy for yourself. Set the condition for itself. For everybody's reference, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the Pine script below it. You can work on any profit. Now let somebody says, I want to work on a very different kind of a profit, and I want this profit should be that I exit at 1:10. This thing is. So he can say is, I will take profit at 30%. Profit factor remains 2. Here the number of trades are going to decrease drastically. You buy here, you sell here. You buy here, you sell here. You buy here, you sell somewhere output here. So it's all depends upon how you want to trade in this kind of setup. I just try to show you that it's easy to create a strategy using ChatGPT, which is freely available. So long as it's freely available, one must use it. You all have your own strategies to create. You all believe somebody may be using super trend, somebody may be using an RSI crossover. You can combine multiple indicators and do it. So this was a small video to show how a strategy is created. I hope you like the video. Thank you, everybody.